You're listening to Historical Perspectives with Mr. Malt. Learn about life by looking at our history. Teachers, for more information about historical perspectives, search Mr. Malt's Marketplace on Teachers Pay Teachers or at mrmaltmarketplace.com. Happy learning! The Space Crew and the Asteroid Adventure. Captain Maya adjusted her headset as she looked out the large windows of their spaceship, Star Explorer. The mission was clear: study asteroids up close. Her crew of 3, Theo, Layla, and Max, were ready for the challenges ahead. They had traveled far from Earth into the asteroid belt, a space highway full of flying rocks. Some were no bigger than a baseball, while others were the size of mountains. "Team," said Captain Maya, "we're approaching asteroid Z15. Get the research gear ready." Theo, the ship's engineer, checked the robotic arm used for collecting asteroid samples. Layla, the scientist, powered up her scanners. Max, the pilot, guided the ship carefully through the floating rocks. Everyone had an important job, and they worked together as a team. When the ship neared asteroid Z15, Layla gasped. "Captain, look at this," she exclaimed. The asteroid was shaped like a giant donut, with a big hole in the middle. It sparkled in the sunlight as if it was covered in tiny crystals. "This one might hold important minerals," Layla said. Her voice was full of excitement. "We need to take some samples." Theo activated the robotic arm, guiding it toward the shiny surface. Slowly, the arm touched the asteroid and scooped up a small amount of rock. "Got it," Theo cheered. But just as they celebrated, the alarms on the spaceship blared. What's going on, Max?" Maya asked. Max's hands flew over the controls. "Captain, the asteroid field is shifting. A huge rock is heading our way." Maya stayed calm. "Layla, secure the samples. Theo, double-check the shields. Max, get us out of here. Fast." The crew moved quickly. Layla packed the precious asteroid sample safely. Theo made sure the ship's shields were ready for any surprise bumps. Max steered the ship away from the danger with sharp turns and careful movements. A massive asteroid rolled past their ship, missing it by inches. Everyone held their breath until it was gone. Then cheers filled the spacecraft. "Great job, team," said Maya. After the near miss, they returned to studying the asteroid samples. Layla discovered that the shiny crystals were a rare type of mineral never seen on Earth. It could be useful for building strong materials in the future. The crew felt proud of their work. Later, as they prepared to return to Earth, Captain Maya looked at her team with a smile. "This mission wasn't easy, but we succeeded because we worked together. This is just the beginning of what we can learn about asteroids." The Star Explorer headed home, carrying not just rocks, but stories of teamwork, discovery, and courage. Thanks for listening to this Historical Perspective. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. Also, search for Historical Perspectives on Teachers Pay Teachers to learn more about other topics, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, Henry Ford, schools in the early 1900s, and so much more. Happy learning!